What's up? It's Joey 600 Family First Records. Today we're going to do another video tutorial. This time on a Tee Grizzley Type Beat. So let's jump right into it. You already read the video title. That's why you clicked on it. Let's jump right into the video. So without further ado, I'm gonna play the beat first, just so you can hear it. No whack tutorials, and then we can talk about what I did to get there. So. First things first, I'm going to go to the piano. It's like the main chunk of the melody and the beat. So I'm going to solo everything else out. And the piano part has 3 parts to it. It's the top portion, main melody, and the bass notes. So everything else was dictated by the main melody. So let me actually mute that. So that was the main melody. You can see I got the F sharp, C sharp, A, G sharp. It's basically F sharp minor. It's the scale, and then I just kept within the scale. I actually started off with like doing this. So. I started off with like this. But I want to give it some more bounce, some more variety, instead of just saying on the 1, 2, 3, 4, with the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I did some half notes in there. So I brought down the C. Like that, and then I moved over to G, so I made 2 half notes. So now I wasn't hit on the 1, 2, 3, 4. I was hit on the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from that point I just moved it over to the empty space, and then I basically got this. Yeah, so basically like a call and answer. So the first part is the call, and the second part is the answer. And that's how I get the bounce, you know what I mean? Instead of just keeping it on the 1, 2, 3, 4. So you saw how I went from like a standard, like simple melody to more, not even that much more advanced, but just like a different style. And then from that point, I just did the bass notes. I just followed the root note and just brought it down with the song. So the first note was an F, so I just went down to the F sharp 3, and then also there was a C in there, so I went down to the C, and then obviously the notes in between and the F sharp key are the E and the D. So. And then for the top notes, I did all half notes basically. So let me it's more like that's like standard. I want to say I hear it a lot, just like standard scale drop. I want to call it just a scale drop, because it's just every note in the scale. You just follow it. again, it was that call and answer kind of thing. So, and then this part right here goes. So it's the same actual. I could have went. But I want to do with the other option because I don't know, it sounded cool. That's basically it. And then from there I went with the Detroit pluck, the standard Detroit bass sound. You hear that in every Detroit song. I can link it in the description if you want the preset. And then standard clap, standard snare, standard hi-hat, standard kick. I mean, it's just a 1-2 on the hi-hat. It's just a every 4 on the snare and clap. And then turn that off. Just make it knock basically. And then the 808 actually just follow, if you can see the pattern, the bass notes, the root notes of the piano melody. So I didn't really change that either. I just followed it on its key. So you can see right here and then right here. And that's basically it. I mean, it's a Mira Dog Food 808. If you want the name of it. A little bit soft fattener. You know, just to make it go crazy. Basically it, bro. That's how you make a Tee Grizzley Detroit style beat. Peace.